What's that, sir?
I'll bring my license.
You want to roll down your window, sir? You know why I stopped you?
Yeah, I did. A fucking speed limit. I'm just tired.
What's that?
I suppose a fucking ceiling ain't 55 yet.
No, sir. Matter of fact, that's it.
Okay?
All right. I like to see him break that window. Did he? Tell you what, sir. If you don't get out and pick all this stuff up, I'm going to give you a citation for...
Just leave me fucking alone.
You got a problem, sir?
Just leave me alone. You better say this ain't my fucking $100 bill either.
Tell you what, sir. This is your first warning right now. Okay? You got some over here, too.
That's pretty goddamn thing. Fucking...
Yes, I did, sir. I warned you once of your conduct right now.
Oh, yes,
Okay?
sir.
I will not warn you again, sir. I will take you straight to jail.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Hey, sir, I need your signature right here on the side of the citation. Not admitting any guilt, just that you're receiving a copy of the citation and that you'll either appear in court or pay the fine. What's that, sir?
I think your rich is like pushing up 40 people an
Here's your driver's license back. Here's a copy of your citation. Cite you into court at 1 o'clock in the afternoon on the 18th of this month.
hour. Well, I'm paying.
If you don't want to appear in court, you can contact this phone number right here in the back. They'll let you know how much it is. You can pay the fine, and you won't have to appear in court. If you do want to appear in court, you can't appear in court on that day, call that number and they can rearrange court time for you. All right, sir? What's that, sir?